Hey, what's up everybody? It's day number 27 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge, and today I finished out the JavaScript Basics module on Team Treehouse. The last part of this module covered conditional statements such as if, else, and else if using comparison operators. I also learned about booleans, and then I made a really simple number guessing game. It allows the user to guess a number between 1 and 10, and then the program returns in the console whether or not they got the answer right. Then I learned about the logical operators such as or and this allowed me to make much more complex conditional statements. And finally, at the end of the module, there was a little challenge. The challenge was to make a simple quiz game that asked the user 5 different questions and then keeps track of the correct answers. At the end of the quiz, the user is awarded with a specific rank. If they get all 5 questions correctly, then they get the gold rank. Alright, well that's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care.